Right, so our ingredients: Mr. Gulaman White, 25 grams, 2 sachets, Nescafe Classic sticks, 5 to 8 sticks, 1 1/2 cup sugar. Then we have 3 Nestle Cream and 1 can of Alaska Classic condensed milk. So those are our ingredients for coffee jelly. So we just need to boil 2 liters of water. That's for our jelly mixture. And while we're waiting for the water to boil, we're now going to mix all our dry ingredients, which is the 2 sachets of Mr. Gulaman, our coffee sticks, and the sugar, 1 1/2 cup. Alright, so we're gonna mix it, dissolve it in 2 cups, 1 to 2 cups of water. So we just want to make sure that all those ingredients are mixed together or dissolved properly. Now that our water is boiling, we can already put our mixture. Okay, then we just have to stir it. Then again, just wait until it boils. Then after that, we can already transfer it to our containers or molders. While we're waiting for our jelly mixture to cool down, we're now going to mix our all-purpose cream, so 3 boxes. We just have to mix it for about 15 to 20 minutes together with our condensed milk. So we'll mix it until the volume gets doubled. And after that, we're just going to cut our jelly, right? Depends on how big or how small you want it to be there, and then we're just going to directly put it to our cream mixture. Then we just have to mix it well, and there we go, our coffee jelly. We can then transfer it to small containers. It's perfect for business, right? You can sell it, and also good for family gatherings and any occasion. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.